Hello, hello. So today I want to share with you how to create a links page very easily. It's very fun and very quick. So if you have been looking into Linktree or Stan Store, this is kind of similar to that, but it's even better. I'm going to show you why. So let me share my screen. I would like to know how many of you have a business. So let me know, or how many of you would like to start a business. So I'm going to share this. Okay, so this is a tool that I use. It's a website builder. And all of these are all the websites that I've built for myself. You can actually have membership sites, unlimited websites, quizzes, forums, so many things, subscription pages, a digital online store. I mean, for physical or digital products. But now, right now, we are going to focus on the links page. So all of this in the left side, and it keeps going down. It's lots and lots and lots of templates that are pre-made for you. So we're gonna head to this one. I'll pick this. Let's call it links test. Okay. So you can have as many websites as you want because it's going to be your domain slash whatever you put here. This is going to be the subdomain. And let's create it. So it's going to upload just like this. It's already pre-made for you, and you can switch whatever you want. It is fully customizable. So let's say that I'm going to say my name here. And of course, you can write whatever. Like, welcome, I'm excited that you're here. I'm excited to connect with you. Whatever it is that you want to write here. The links part is down here. So let me show you. You just double click in here. Put whatever name you want the button to show. So let's say, I don't know, let's say you have a lead magnet here. So you can say free full moon meditation. And then it gives you the option here. This right here with the link, it's going to be the thing you are going to send them whenever they click there. So there is an option, like you can create another website here to which you can connect this to. So these are all the ones that I have created. Let's see. I'm just gonna pick one and select it there. And then we can also change this if we want it. Let's change the color. Border, we can keep it that way. We could set change the font. We could change the size. Bold. And We could also change this if you like them to be a little more rounded. You can totally do that. And okay, let's leave it like that. And we could also change the background. Let's say I want it black. You can save your brand colors and they're going to show up on the first row here. So instead of you having to type the code for the color here every time, you can save them here. So that's going to make your job way easier. And this picture, we can change that to this one. That's where you can have all your pictures. You can also host audios and PDF files here. So there's my picture. It has an overlay. That's why it looks a little darker, but we could also play with that to make it a little brighter. Isn't it so much fun? It's so easy. Okay. Now we have all kinds of different widgets that you can play with. You can have your social media down here. Let's say you have a special offer that it's only going for limited time. You can add a countdown thing here. So let's say it counts here to the 28th. And then you can also customize this here in the little paintbrush. You can also change the color. You can show the labels. You can barely see them there, but here it is, days, hours, minutes. Okay. And then that's it. So you would do the same for each one of this. Oh, here's another thing. Let's say you already did this for the first one. So now instead of changing the color to each one of this and changing the font and the shape and everything, you just copy here and it goes to this little thing over here. You grab the button and drop it wherever you want. It works, I promise. Here. There you go. Here it is. So you would just change whatever it says here. Join my newsletter. And then you would change the funnel, right? So it would take you somewhere else. But it's already with all the features that you changed in the first one. So then you would just delete this one, delete this one. Super easy. And let's see how it would look like in the actual website. Wait a minute. Don't forget to hit save over here in the top. And then click, here it is. The picture in the background. So now whenever I click this, it's gonna take me to the funnel that I linked it to, that I already have. It's another website that I created for a program that I did a few months ago. Where I think this one has a checkout at the end. Yes. So you could have all of this features here. And then let's go back and see the other one. I linked this one. Oh, here it is. Oh, this one is actually my links page. So these are my colors. This is all the like free stuff that I have. You can make them pop up like this. All my stuff in Spanish. So yeah, that's just an example of the things that you can do. Isn't it awesome? I really, really like it. It's so fun to work with this. And it's so easy, so simple. It's fully customizable, as you saw that here. You have, there's a form here. So you can start to build your list. Yeah, I'm gonna make a different video for this, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be sharing more about how many different things you can do with this amazing website builder, funnel builder. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer. And let me know if you have a business, what do you do, or if you are wanting to start a business. So comment below and I'll see you soon.